Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am on a roll here. I want to show you how I made these adorable little tulip flower earrings using the dollar bead box for June of 2025. I made 3 of them already, and so I wanted to make one more and show you guys how I do it. If you're not familiar with dollar bead box, I have a coupon for $2 off BN Jewelry 2. And there's also, I'll leave the unboxing below in the description as well. And the dollar bead box is $19.50 a month. And then I also get the 8 strands of fire polish beads for $8. And what I'm using, they came with 4 of these really cute tulips. So I already used 3 of them. I'm gonna use this. And then I've got some 11.0 green seed beads that match the 4mm fire polish beads. So I need 1 of the berry colored ones that we got that match the tulip, and then I need 8 of these. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8. I was kind of on a roll yesterday making these, and I'm like, oh, I gotta do a video. So, and before I start this, I'm just gonna show you. So I have this ear wire here. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to turn it that way so that it's facing like this. So that way, when you put the earring on, this shows. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by making this base. So I'm going to do, I have a number 10 needle and I have like a wingspan of my favorite thread. So I'm going to do 1 11.0 seed bead. I'm going to do 3, 1, 2, 3 of the fire polish beads, and another 1 of the seed beads. And I'm going to bring it all the way down. I'm going to leave a little bit of a tail like this, and I'm going to skip over that seed bead. And I'm going to go through the 3 fire polish beads and the seed bead. And I'm going to hold it like right there. And I'm going to bring this down. So you have it like this. Then I'm going to pick it up. So this is all going through there. Let me open this up. So I'm going to pick it up, and then I'm going to skip over that seed bead. And I'm going to go, okay, here. I'm going to skip over that seed bead, and then I'm going to go through, and I'm going to do that seed bead. So I make a nice strong base for the flower. So here's this. So now I'm going to skip the seed bead, and I'm going to go through 1 of the seed of the fire polish beads. So it looks like this. Then I'm going to pick up 4 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let me get this so I can show you here real quick. So I'm going to pick up 4 of the seed beads. Then I'm going to go right up through, and I'm going to do this. Okay, so I have that. So I have those. So it is coming out, it looks like this. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4 of the fire polish beads, the green ones, and then the dark pink red one. Then I'm going to pick up the flower. I'm going to bring that all the way down I'll show you how it's laying. You could kind of just do it on one end and it would kind of curve, but I feel like this is a little more sturdy. Okay, so then we come up through the flower. Now I'm gonna take 2 seed beads. And one thing that I always do with these, see the way that's kind of open? I always take my round nose pliers and just kind of make sure that it's closed. So then I'm gonna go through that. I'm gonna do 2 more seed beads. I pick this up like this, and I'm gonna go down through the other end. I'm gonna go through this a couple times. So here we go. So we're coming out the last green fire polish bead. Okay, hold on 1 second, okay. So here's this. So here we have it like this. So now, bring this over towards that side like that. I'm gonna pick up 1, 2, 3, 4 of the seed beads. And I'm gonna come in through this middle fire polish bead. It's kind of slippery here. It's easier to lay it down to do this. Just wanna make sure you guys can see everything. Let me just kind of pick it up. I'm trying to keep it intact so you guys can see it as it's happening. Okay, there we go. So it comes through one, and then it comes out the other. Let me bring it. Okay, so let me kind of hold this up. So here we have it like this. So now what I'm gonna do is I have it coming out through here, and I'm going to skip, let me get it back over here, sorry about that. I'm going to skip through, okay, there it is right there. Now I'm gonna skip, I'm gonna go all the way to the end here, like that. I'm gonna skip the seed bead. I'm trying to make it a little more secure. So I'm kind of going through. So here it is right here. Now I'm gonna go through that seed bead and go through. I'm gonna bring it in again like this. Not so sturdier, it's a little easier to show you. So here it is like this. Then I'm gonna go in because I want to reinforce the earring part of it. So I'm gonna go up through the 4 seed beads. Try and get the hole there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just go up through everything, through the tulip, until you pop out up here. Okay, so now I'm like this. So now I'm going to go through the top, go through the ear wire again, and then I'm gonna go through this, the other 2 on the other side. I'm gonna go down. So this baby is pretty secure. Like I say in my videos, I sell my jewelry online and at a consignment store, so I want all of my jewelry to be very secure. I don't want somebody to buy it and pay for it and then it breaks in a month. So now I'm going to go through this fire polish bead, and I'm going to come out through the seed bead, and then I'm going to tie this. Make sure this is all set. Look how cute that is. Sorry, I've got a little frog in my throat this morning. Okay, then I'm going to tie this. Like that. And then I'm just going to take my flush cutters and cut it right there. Then I'm going to I'm going to skip that seed bead. I'm going to go back through. Like that, and then I'm going to kind of just go up through the other seed beads just to make sure everything is and then kind of just pop it through here. Here it comes. I'm just going to cut it up here. You can cut it wherever you want. Okay, or you could tie it more if you want, but I gave it a good tie in that end, and this thread is through here pretty good. So look at how cute these are. I couldn't wait to do this video and show you. And I've got all different kinds of ideas now from this. So if you are interested in the dollar bead box, I will leave the link below, like I said. And my coupon code is BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. And yeah, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think of these, if you think you might make them. And I've got all kinds of ideas. I'm like, you can do little kitty ones and little owls and tulips and flowers and all different kinds. Opened up a big craft store here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you get more videos like this, and all of my social medias below in the description if you'd like to follow me. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.